guys, it's another Friday na naman po, and Friday is our grocery slash shopping day. Ayan, so nagmamadali kami guys kasi we have a lot of plans today. So una, nagpa-refill kami ng tubig guys kasi katabi nitong building na ito is the water refilling station. Ayan, and then bumili kami ng pagkain or no, yung soil ni Neo. Yung paborito kong binibili na soil guys is yung my coffee flavor or coffee scent. Ayan, kasi mabango siya and parang hindi mo masismell yung amoy ng poop ng cat. Ayan, so pagkatapos meron kaming nadaanan dito na tindahan kaya bumili ako ng isang sakong charcoal kasi nag-request ang asawa ko na mag-barbecue ako. Ayan, so bumili na rin ako ng mga gulay kasi nga mas fresh yung mga gulay sa local markets or local stores, diba? And mas mura pa. Ayan, then after that, dumiretso na kami sa aming property. So ito guys, at least medyo hindi na masyadong mahaba yung bushes namin kasi, or bushes dito sa aming property kasi gihagbas tinrim na ng aming family friend. Ayan, and then nakita nyo kasi medyo mainit lately kaya ayan, dry na talaga yung mga damo. So we were having fun burning, and ayan, nagsusunog nga kami ng mga damo para maano natin unti-unti yung damo. Ayan, so pagkatapos nito guys, I don't know what we're going to do, whether we will find a keyboard for my daughter or didiretso na lang kaming mag-shopping kasi medyo late na. Plenty of water, so we have to wait. Yeah.
I'll use this. It burns wood, right?
Of course.
Alright. Yeah. Fire burns anything. They're the most indestructible, like fire and water. Like you never mess with water because even the water seems like it's important, but it's helpful. It can also kill you.
Oh yeah, of course.
No matter how much you know how to swim.
Yan, but anyway, katatapos lang namin maglinis guys. Ayan, so hinintay muna namin na medyo mag-stop muna yung fire bago kami umalis. So mag-grocery na naman tayo guys. Ayan, nandito kami sa SM. Yan, first kuha tayo dito ng fruits. We need some mangoes. Go get me some get me a plastic bag. Yeah, paborito ito ni Rachel. Go, yeah. Get one, Daddy. You don't like that? Sometimes I mix it with the sotanghon.
I like that.
Haha, thank you. Listen. Rachel said to me that she want to try this.
It's a different package.
Yes.
Oh, this one is probably
Different company. Yeah, but wait. Red mango cat. So, ito yung dalawang mangga natin. Ang avocado. Uy, gusto ko sanang mamili ng avocado kaso nabubulok talaga siya. Ayan, meron silang papaya. Daddy, I'm gonna get some papaya. You like it? Oh. Parang na siya, very soft. Let's put this here. And then give this to the lady so she can weigh it, okay? Lang? Okay, give it to the lady. Give it to the other side. Dalawa na yung ko, guys. Grapefruit. Yeah, put it on top there. put it on top. Yes, ayun. Lagay natin dito. Na, hindi. It gets spoiled so fast. Okay, let's go.